How was the hearing?
The hearing was voluntarily dismissed, and we're encouraging all parties to ask us questions. And working with the sheriff, we had already had an agreement in place with the sheriff, but we encourage all parties to ask us questions prior to just running to file a lawsuit. So it went very well. And obviously you've been here, the building has been very secure. We have a lot of deputies, and they're making sure that we have not only security but enforcement in case we need it, and it went very well this morning.
Are you getting any more vote by mail?
Did you call them, or did they come by someone else's direction?
No, they did not come as any other direction but ours. And so I have been working with the sheriff the entire time, and I'm very pleased that the lawsuit was dismissed.
Did you get any more? Have you gotten any more vote by mail ballots past the deadline? Because there is that lawsuit.
I'm sure that we did. I haven't been to the office for about a week, so I wouldn't be able to answer that.
So
you're
still
a little bit about what efforts did you make to upgrade your machinery so that you would have been prepared for a situation like this?
Well, currently there's only two companies in the state of Florida, ES&S and Dominion, and Dominion does not have a high-speed counter as of yet, and ES&S is not in compliance with ADA just yet. We need to work on some legislation. So when they are in compliance, we'd be happy to buy it. It's about $11.1 million. So we're not really interested in buying machines that don't comply yet. So we need to work with the legislature and add about 4 words, and maybe it'll comply.
Yeah. How about other counties? Don't other counties have the right machines?
They do. They're going to time out in 2020 for ADA unless we change the legislation. I do have $11.1 million in my budget to purchase the equipment. I would like to comply with future law if I'm going to spend that kind of money.
When did you ask for, I know you have to ask for money from the county for upgraded
It's in
equipment.
this year's budget.
It's in this year's budget?
It's in this year's budget.
But my understanding, my sense is you've been wanting more money for upgraded equipment for some time. Do you remember when you first made a request for upgraded equipment from the county?
Well, I'll tell you, the county has been my very good partner, and what we told the county is that as soon as we could, we'd like to upgrade. We've been prepping them for about 5 years, so we're partners, and they've been fully aware that we want to upgrade the equipment. Right now, because of the way that it's certified, it doesn't meet the 2020 law for ADA. So I don't think it's very responsible to spend $11.1 million on new equipment that's not going to be viable in 2020. So we need to work with the legislature to change a couple words from mark sense ballot to paper ballot.
So even if you had gotten money earlier, you wouldn't necessarily have upgraded because you knew in 2020 the equipment that you bought wouldn't be compliant with ADA.
Well, that's correct. I'd feel much more comfortable with that volume of taxpayer money, making sure that the equipment complies with 2020.
Yesterday you talked about Senate being done. Is Senate